Hello my cakesters, welcome back to the channel. If you're a return cakester, if it's your first time, hit that subscribe button and join the cake family. So welcome to a new video, guys. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on all socials at _kimberly.o_, and let's get straight into it. Today on the agenda, I would like to treat myself. So your girl has hit a milestone in her content creation. So I am now at 20.6k on Instagram. I actually was at 20k yesterday. Yeah. So yesterday I hit 20k and now I'm at 20.6k. To some people it's just numbers, but to me, girl, it's an accomplishment. To know that 20.6k people like my content, because you're not gonna follow me if you don't like my content. To see that my videos are trending. I did an Airbnb video which is at 511,000k and it was at 240k views in one day. Girl, you do something, man. You do something. Spill the tea, girl. You doing something. So I'm going to celebrate that win of getting 20k. My sister actually went ahead and ordered a cake for me from my friend. She named Girl Can Bake, you know, aka Ronnie. And Ronnie is actually making the cake. We don't know when we want to collect the cake or when we want the cake, because I kind of want to go to a restaurant, sit down and eat, do a little, and 20 roses from my man and my mom. So I don't know when we're going to do that, but I would definitely want to. So I don't know if it's this weekend we're going to do it, but my sister went ahead and told me to order the cake because we're celebrating our wins. Also hit our next huge milestone that I will be talking to you guys about. So that milestone, I kind of want to enjoy it first before I come out and be like, woo, woo, you know? Yeah. So that's that. Yeah. So today we're going to treat ourselves. The funds is low because I've been working for some brands, but I don't get the funds as yet. And that's completely fine because I always tell myself, say, I know my timing, I got timing. I'm going to get the money now. I'm brav, which I don't, I'll do. I'm brav. And then when I really do need it, I don't get it at that time. So I don't really pressure myself about that. But that's right down in my book, say, this brand have X to me. I've done work for somebody, they have X. I've done a video for G have this, G have that. So I can keep track of it. But other than that, like, I don't like when our funds low. Plain and simple. So probably that's why I'm not so interested in celebrating my win. But them can't stop me now. Them can't stop my flow. Oh no, I get pics there? I wish I had on data so you guys can hear it. And then the car needs to be washed because it's 2 weeks that I did to wash the car, but the 2 weeks were not solely upon me. One, it was the weather. Two, I never did my yard. I did it in Kingston, and Kingston car washes are expensive. How about I pay how much to get wash my car? I'm gonna put my $1,500. Not $1,500, $1,300. So yeah, we're going to treat ourselves and then go to the car wash. So let's get into that. You know, before we drive off, we have to connect up to the Bluetooth. And you know, who are going to play upon the album? We're not have to guess it, you know, my father. We're not have to get it. So at wanted to change a plan, so I actually got some data and Google planned the drawer time, and they open at 5 p.m. and guess what time it is? 1:46. So that not gonna work. Cause I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry. Like my hunger bad. So I'm gonna grab a fruit drink from Starbucks. Then I might order Chinese for pickup. And then I go to the car and I still and eat. Me and them wash the car. And then probably later down in the night we'll go to plant the joy. I'm gonna ask my sister if she wanna treat me. I think the reason why I'm that excited to celebrate is because I'm always planning. Like sometimes the planners are tired. I'm tired for a plan. I'm tired. Like I plan everything for everybody. Like if somebody want to find out Airbnb, I meet them come to. Every single thing I plan. So you know, like for once I want somebody plan something for me. So probably that's why I'm not so wow for celebrating, because like I'm here to plan it. But let's go inside Starbucks. It's probably Starbucks. You know, we get with us and a little lump here, probably. You guys must notice a change in my facial expression, and like Starbucks put more keeps annoying me. Yesterday I go for buy a bagel, it was empty. I go, one girl make my drink, she made the drink so good, and she's like, why don't you come over Starbucks? I said, because they don't make drinks good and then it take forever. She's like, no, we have the old barista them over here and them can make the drinks them now. I said, cool, because yesterday the drinks taste good. The drinks tasted really good yesterday. When I'm in the 30 minutes away from my food. And look at my order. My order one dragon fruit, bro, and I'm in there 30 minutes only for people who come after me. I get through before me, and then I drink frappuccino caramel frap. Babes, I just juicy and mix. Literally. I just juice and mix.
Alright, so it's a sweet and sour fried rice, right?
Correct. How long does it normally take?
5 minutes.
Oh.
It's sweet and sour. So it's 869 here.
869, thank you.
You're welcome.
We're back. Chinese food secure. Like I do a keep the look at me finger bag of the first time I said the gravy leak out, so murder. Like I do like keep the. I have it. I'm gonna try it and rate it on a scale of 1 to 10. Yeah man, I me dash for the food, man. Easy oil patty, I'm not gonna rate this right on the bowl. But I don't know, I eat the food already, you know. I eat the food already. My ass eat them food. This is the only Chinese restaurant like I really like. So I'm here at the car wash. It's like 5 cars in front of me. You know, I should have come earlier. 5 cars in front of me and more cars are coming in. I wonder if I should just push it back till tomorrow. I'm gonna do try to just let my scroll up on my phone, like makes no difference, girl. To wait until it's my turn to go and have my car wash. Decided to leave the car wash because I'm gonna look at 5 big vehicle, ice bus, truck. You know them, they're gonna take a little longer for us. So I was like, you know, first thing in the morning. So what I'm going to do for the rest of the day is mommy had told me that she's going to cook some French fried chicken. So I'm going to show you guys the process of her cooking some French fried chicken. And I think like she's doing like French fried chicken and rolls, like something like that she's doing. So I'm going to show you guys that. And then if I still like later on in the night feel as if oh more gonna have drinks or whatever. I'll pick you guys back up. I also need to plan my Q2. So for this year I didn't do a big planning. Like I did a vision board and everything, but I broke down my life into Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. Companies do it. I went ahead and broke down my Q1, but I did the Q2 because March was hectic and it will start April. We're probably like a good amount of days in April. We're 12 days in April. So I need to actually do my Q2. Just April, May, June. There's a family vacation coming up. Need to do the itinerary, find the B&B, try book the flights. So yeah. So I'm going to go inside and try to write down my Q2 goals and what I want to do. I'm all done writing my Q2 plans. So I'm just going to wait until it's time for mommy to chef up in the kitchen. So the little flour here, our counter flour.
There for your pretty looks.
Girl, I'm not cooking them, that's a video. Yeah girl, what is this? What kind of seasoning is this? Chicken seasoning, yeah girl. Yeah girl, bada that. They shake it up. I that?
Yeah.
What that for?
It will make it raw.
For true?
Yeah. So I'm going to cook it there.
And do it. I'll be on YouTube and watch. Oh.
I see she cook it there and she don't take it out.
Yeah girl. Whiskey. Holy button.
Them butter.
So guys, I'm finished eating my din din, and I think that's gonna be it for Friday. I'm no longer in the vibe to go out. expected. I found this new cartoon on Netflix. It's called Good Times, so you guys can definitely check that out. So this is me signing out for today. See you guys tomorrow. It is Saturday. As you guys saw in the previous clips, I was packaging a wig for my customer. You can go ahead and follow at GetWigsJA on Instagram. None of the wig them not past 18,000 people, so you can go and run over this. So listen, I just decided to me and the gentleman I gotta go out and have a good time and eat some good food. My mom telling me what I've been craving, so we're going to go to Saffron for dumplings. I absolutely love Saffron dumplings. And then we might just go to Maca for like, you know, get like fries and chips. Then we could basic somebody, but I definitely want my dumpling. And I really love Saffron dumpling. So I'm going to do the delivery and then take you guys to Saffron with me. Yeah, so that's what we have planned for today. I know the vlog is short, people. My edit yesterday clip I reached 12 minutes in there. So I'm gonna try to probably bring it up to probably at 25. Yeah, if I'm going to more than 25, I'm really push it. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope so you love the video just far. And let's go and go have a good time. So tight, want captive. Hey, baby, pump my So we're here at Saffron. I don't know where I'm gonna take the menu, I know more. On dumplings. I'm gonna show you guys the menu. Mikey.
That's it.
Try with the sauce, babe.
What time?
This.
This good?
Listen, the price who I make this, them know them that I do for people who do drink because why my head starts spinning. Feel so tipsy.
Wow, the sweet chili chicken is good.
The sweet chili chicken? Good one.
And the same curry.
And rice?
I eat it there. Sweet and so.
Okay, bro.
So just the one serving and fried.
Okay, bro. Check if it come with rice, because sometimes they make it come with rice. I know the Indian cuisine come with rice. You know come with rice?
Yes, yes. Can't my boy.
Alright. So we're going to get sweet chili chicken and sweet and sour chicken with fried rice. My might order one more dumpling.
Why?
So but like I'm here to watch it because like
What do I eat?
me stand on the camera. Beer seasoning in it, we did a camera. So one chicken underneath the sound there.
No, no. No one wants to see that.
No more chicken underneath, bro. You know, time was hard when you remember the last clip because I was tipsy. It's a rum stripe. Rum stripe, know what them that do when them they make the rum stripe? Them like, oh, one buckle of rum stripe drunk the dolly. I was so tipsy, but I know within myself that I did to close out the video, so I'm going to close it out now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. See you in the next video.